So I knew that I wanted to join a clinic that would allow me to be in court right away. I had friends in other clinics who were doing substantial legal research and writing, but were really spending the majority of the semester preparing for a single oral argument. And Rising for Justice was different. I think it really allowed me to step up for low-income tenants in a really unique way and quickly. From week one, we were in court shadowing attorneys, and before I knew it, I was drafting my own motions and entering appearances on behalf of clients. And it was something that was definitely a steep learning curve, and it was scary at first, but it was such a unique learning experience. And something about Rising for Justice is that no one day is the same. I remember one particular Friday where the upper floors of the courthouse were all evacuated because a smoke alarm was going off. And no one at Rising for Justice went home. We picked up with our clients in the office and went downstairs to the lobby, and were sitting along the hallway just pulling out our phones and doing the best of our ability to continue working through issues with clients. And even there in the hallway, we had people coming in through the front door of the courthouse demanding to be let in to speak to Rising for Justice, and we welcomed them. And I remember actually there was one woman who came in during that time who was actually in an emergency situation because she was facing an eviction that very same day. And we jumped on it right away. We were able to make a few phone calls for her, and we were able to actually buy her an extra day to pay down her back rent, which ended up making a huge difference for her because she ended up having emergency rental assistance come through. And I think that looking around that day and just seeing the way that Rising for Justice attorneys were willing to roll with the punches and put client advocacy before anything else was really special. And I think that that kind of dedication to client service can make such a massive difference in someone's life. And it was something that Rising for Justice attorneys modeled day after day.